Welcome to our countdown of the 7 best axes for chopping wood. Whether you're splitting logs for a campfire, preparing firewood for winter, or tackling outdoor chores, the right axe makes all the difference. In this video, we'll show you the top picks that combine power, durability, and efficiency, so you can swing with confidence and get the job done faster. The LEXIVON wood-splitting axe, 36-inch, is engineered with a wedge-shaped blade profile, making it highly effective for one-strike splits of firewood, logs, and kindling. Its optimized blade angles ensure maximum efficiency, ideal for campers, hikers, bonfire preparation, and garden work. Durable carbon steel blade. Built with grade A forged carbon steel and heat-treated for added hardness, the axe delivers cleaner and deeper cuts. The blade is fully encased and over-molded onto the handle, making it virtually indestructible and capable of withstanding long-term heavy use. Reinforced fiberglass handle. Unlike wooden shafts that can crack or steel handles that may bend, this axe uses an innovative fiberglass design. It is shock-absorbing, weather-resistant, and features a non-slip ergonomic grip. A reinforced spine adds extra strength against high-impact swings, balanced for efficiency. The carefully positioned balance points near the axe head improves swing speed, power, and overall control. This thoughtful design ensures less effort and greater productivity with each strike. The Helko Werk Axe is a traditional German-style splitting axe, handmade by skilled smiths. Its dual wedge head design delivers powerful strikes while preventing the blade from sticking, making it highly efficient for splitting rounds and heavy firewood. Premium carbon steel head forged from C50 high-grade carbon steel and hardened to 53 to 56 HRC, the 4.5-pound head balances durability with ease of sharpening. Each piece is drop forged by hand, ensuring consistent quality and long-lasting performance even under demanding use. Superior hickory handle. The 28-inch handle is crafted from sustainably sourced grade A American hickory, carefully selected for grain orientation and density. Finished with boiled linseed oil and sanded smooth, it provides both comfort and resilience during long splitting sessions. Complete protection and care. Every axe includes a vegetable tanned leather sheath for blade protection and a 1 Oz bottle of AxeGuard oil to prevent rust. This thoughtful inclusion ensures the tool remains sharp, safe, and well-maintained over time. The INTERTOOL 36-inch chopping axe is designed for powerful wood cutting and felling. Its long handle provides excellent leverage, allowing users to generate more swing force and cut through logs and firewood with improved control and efficiency. Durable carbon steel head, weighing 2.8 pounds. The forged carbon steel head is heat-treated for durability and edge retention. Pre-sharpened and coated for rust resistance, it's ready for immediate use and built to withstand repeated heavy-duty chopping tasks. Shock-absorbing fiberglass handle. The reinforced fiberglass handle reduces vibration and impact shock, minimizing strain on hands and arms during prolonged use. A textured rubberized grip enhances safety, ensuring a secure and slip-free hold in any weather condition. Versatile outdoor utility. Beyond firewood splitting, this axe is a dependable multi-purpose tool for felling small trees, clearing brush, and general yard maintenance. It comes with a durable blade cover, making it safe to carry and easy to store. The ESTWING Fireside Friend is forged from a single piece of American steel, ensuring unmatched durability and reliability. Its solid construction eliminates weak points, making it a long-lasting tool for firewood tasks. Comfort and grip. Equipped with ESTWING's shock reduction grip, it absorbs up to 70% of impact vibration. The slip-resistant handle provides secure and comfortable control, even during extended use. Performance. With its 4-pound head and compact 14-inch design, this axe delivers impressive splitting power for kindling and small logs. The balanced weight makes each strike efficient, while the flat hammer face adds versatility for driving stakes or wedges. Practical use. Perfect for camping, fireplaces, or backyard wood prep, it's not meant for felling large trees, but excels in controlled splitting jobs. Its sharp edge holds well with minimal maintenance. Verdict. A tough, portable, and effective splitting maul, the ESTWING Fireside Friend is ideal for anyone who values power in a compact design. The Trail Boss features a drop-forged TES 55 carbon steel European-style head with a 4-inch blade and 4.5-inch cutting edge. The straight-grained American hickory handle is sturdy and lightweight, offering both durability and portability. Size and balance. Measuring 27-inch overall and weighing approximately 2 pound 9.5 ounce, 41.5 ounce, it's light enough to carry all day, yet powerful enough for demanding tasks. Versatile performance. This axe excels for chopping kindling, clearing trails, building blinds, and even felling modest trees during field testing. Its European head design delivers efficient and deep cuts with every swing. Real-world insights. Despite not being optimized for felling large trees, it's well-balanced and robust for general outdoor use. The smooth handle may benefit from added grip, and the edge might require initial honing for deeper cuts. No sheath is included. The Fiskars 8-pound splitting maul is built for maximum efficiency, making it perfect for splitting medium to extra-large logs. With advanced blade geometry and a sharp, rust-resistant forged steel edge, it delivers deeper penetration and easier removal from wood, ensuring more one-strike splits with less effort. IsoCore shock-absorbing handle. Equipped with the IsoCore shock control system, the handle reduces shock and vibration by up to 2x compared to wood handles. Its textured, non-slip grip and flared design provide excellent control, minimize hand strain, and protect against overstrike damage. Designed for taller users. The 36-inch handle offers increased leverage, swing speed, and striking power, making it ideal for taller users or anyone seeking extra reach and efficiency during heavy-duty splitting tasks. Built for long-lasting durability. With its inseparable riveted head, virtually unbreakable design, and sharp steel blade that stays sharper longer, this maul ensures reliability and long-term performance for. The Edward Tools maul features a precision-forged fine-grained steel head designed for stronger and faster splits compared to standard camp axes. Its weighted head improves efficiency, while the included rubber sheath ensures safe storage and transport. Ergonomic handling. Built with a shock-resistant fiberglass handle and rubberized grip, this maul reduces strain and offers superior control. Even during extended splitting sessions, the handle remains comfortable and secure. Splitting performance. As a hybrid between an axe and sledge, it delivers quick, powerful results on firewood and kindling. Its compact 17-inch size makes it portable yet effective enough for consistent wood prep. Warranty and durability. Backed by a lifetime warranty, Edward Tools guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a dependable investment for outdoor and home use.